Hi everyone, this is a tutorial to teach you how to import your work email from your Outlook Exchange or Outlook 365 to your Hotmail account. So I've made a video to back up or import all the mails from your work email to your Gmail, and now this is a tutorial for Hotmail. So as a demonstration purpose, I create this empty, a brand new Outlook account or a Hotmail accounts. So here are the steps. So the first step is we go to settings. So up here, we go to settings, and then we go to down here, we go to view all Outlook settings. So now we are in the settings page. Then we go to sync email, and then here we go to other email accounts. So here we are in a screen that is going to connect your work email to your personal email. So for display name, I can type whatever, ABC. This is going to just to be probably a folder that you're going to see in your Hotmail account. So it will copy all the emails to an explicit folder in your Hotmail account. And down here, it asks you for your email address. So I'm going to type my work email address. And down here, this is it's asking for your work password. And down here, you have a choice to create a new folder to import all emails or to import into existing folders. So I'm going to create a new folder explicitly just to store all the imported emails. And down here, now here we have to select the menu configuration account settings. And then we click OK. So here we have the username. We need to enter the username. It's not necessary because we already have the email address. And down here, we have to choose POP/SMTP connection settings. And then we have to enter the POP server. For the POP server, with the Office 365, this is the one that we need to type. We type the Office 365.outlook.com. And down here, we leave the incoming server port as 995. That would be fine. And down below, when we scroll down, down below here, we just use our, just select send email using the outlook.com server. And then we click OK. Just give a few more seconds. And then now it's telling us it will show you the accounts and the last update, and that will be it. This is the way to import or back up all your work email from Office 365, Outlook 365, or Outlook Exchange to your personal email in your Hotmail account. So when we go to here on the left-hand side, we can see that there is a new folder which shows you your work account's name, and then down here it's slowly importing all your mail from your work email to Hotmail account. So if you have any ideas or if you want me to show you anything that you would like you want me to show, just send me a mail or send me a message or comment, and I will get back to you, and I'll see if there is capable to make a video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a nice day.